আসসালামু আলাইকুম। I'm Asamat Nasina Khatun, Mustribuza Yusuf Ali School and College. Welcome to online class. How are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, I am also fine. Dear student, today our class 9, English first paper. Okay, dear student, please take your hand English class 9 English first paper book and exercise book and pencil. Today our lesson is Unit 10, Lesson 3, They Had Dreams. Please open your book and find out the Unit 10, Lesson 1, Lesson 3, They Had Dreams. They had dreams. Okay, I hope you have find out the lesson. Okay, at first look at the section A. Section A give one dialogue. Dear student, at first read out the dialogue and tell what the subject of the conversation is. Okay, I think you have finished. Now look at the section B. Section B give text. At first read the text and inferring meaning and find out the difficult word. তার আগে আমি তোমাদের প্যাসেজটা একটু পড়ে শোনাই। তোমরা এটা মনোযোগ সহকারে শোনো এবং এর কঠিন ওয়ার্ডগুলা খুঁজে বের করার চেষ্টা করো এবং এর মিনিংও পড়ার চেষ্টা করো, বোঝার চেষ্টা করো। ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, Prithivrata Aditya was born in Chattogram on 3rd May 1911. She was a meritorious student at the Kasturi Government Girls School in Chattogram and Eden College, Dhaka. She graduated in philosophy with distinction from Bethune College in Kolkata. In her college days, Prithivrata was an activist in the anti-British movement. All through her life, she dreamed of two things: a society without gender discrimination and her motherland free from British colonial rule. So she decided to fight against the British rule. Soon after, Prithivrata became the head teacher of Nandankanan of Aparunacharan School in Chattogram. Gradually, she involved herself in Sujya Sen's armed resistance movement. Sujya Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and revolutionary activist in Chattogram area at that time. In 1932, Sujya Sen planned an attack on the Pahatari European Club. The club was well known for its notorious sign at its entrance: "Dogs and Indians not allowed." Sujya Sen assigned Prithivrata to lead a team of 10 or 12 men to attack the club. The raid was successful, but Prithivrata, dressed as a man, failed to get out of the club. She committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. She proved that women can work like men. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for freedom from the British colonial rule. Her dream finally came true. The British rule came to an end in 1947, though she could not see it during her lifetime. Okay, dear student, I hope you are understood and find out that difficult word. Okay, now I discuss difficult word, some difficult word. Okay, at first difficult. Appreciate. Appreciate. Pronunciation is appreciate. Appreciate. Appreciate means recognize the full worth of another word, biography. Biography means an account of someone's life written by someone else. Another word, meritorious. Okay, deserving reward by reward or praise. Another word, philosophy means the study of the fundamental nature of knowledge. Okay. Another word, distinction. Distinction means a difference or contrast. Between similar things or people. Okay, dear student, again now discuss difficult word. Appreciate means recognize the full worth of. Biography means an account of someone's life written by someone else. Meritorious means deserving reward or praise. Philosophy means the study of the fundamental nature of knowledge. Distinction means a difference or contrast between similar things or people. Please write down your exercise book. Okay, I have finished section B. About section C. Section C gives 2 columns. Read the words in column A and match them with the meanings in column B. At first, read the words, then write down the meanings. Okay. Now column A and column B. তোমরা যা লিখেছো আমি সেটাকে লিখছি তোমাদের খাতার সাথে সেটাকে মিলিয়ে নাও। গ্রাজুয়েটেড, graduated, graduated, graduated. Yeah, sorry. Graduated took a university degree. Okay. Dear student, just আমি বলছি তোমরা তোমাদের খাতার সাথে তোমাদের লেখার সাথে আমাদের ওয়ার্ডগুলো একটু মিলে নাও। গ্রাজুয়েটেড, গ্রাজুয়েটেড means took a university degree. Activist, activist give responsibilities. Movement, movement activities. Gender discrimination, inequality between male and female. Colonial rule, dishonorable, combat, fight, gradually, this way, resistance, batting, notorious, dishonorable, assign, slowly. Okay, dear student, now I discuss section D. At first, read the section B and answer section D. Now answer the questions. Section D some question or section C give 5 questions. Dear students, now write down the answer the question. Write down answer the questions. Okay. তোমরা তোমাদের খাতায় লিখো এবং আমার উত্তরগুলোর সাথে তোমাদের উত্তরগুলোকে একটু মিলিয়ে নাও। At first, question number 1. Why did Prithrala fight? Question number 1. Prithrala fought in Chittagong. Fought in Chittagong. Chittagong in 1932. She attacked the Pahartuli European Club. European Club. Okay. Question number 2. In 932, she fought against the British government. Okay. Question number 3. She fought against the British colonial rule. British colonial rule to free her motherland. To free her motherland. Question number 3. 4. Now question number 4. She was the head teacher of Nandankanon Aparnacharan School. Aparnacharan School in Chittagong. School in Chittagong. Okay. Question number 5. We should fight. We should fight against any evil force that wants to harm our country, and serve our nation and serve our nation unselfishly. Selfishing. So, okay. Again, I discuss this answer. Pritilota fought in Chittagong in 1930. She attacked the Pahatali European class. Question number 2. When did she fight? This answer. In 1932, she fought against British government. Question number 3. Question number, why did she fight? She fought the British colonial rule to free her motherland. Okay, question number 4. What was Priti Lata's profession? She was the head teacher of Nandankanon Aparnacharan School in Chittagong. Question number 5. What do you learn from Priti Lata's life? We should fight against any evil force that wants to harm our country and serve our nation unselfishly. Okay, dear student. তাহলে আজকে আমরা কি বললাম, আজকে আমাদের হলো একটা ডায়লগ পড়া এবং তার সাথে আমরা পড়লাম টেক্সট, যা ছিল প্রীতিলতা অদ্দা সম্পর্কে। চিলেছিলেন সেকশন সি ছিল এখানে কিছু ওয়ার্ড আর একটি টেবিল, যেটা ছিল 1 কলাম এন্ড 2 কলাম। আমাদের কাজ ছিল এ কলামের সাথে বি কলামের ম্যাচিং। ওকে dear student, you have finished. Now write down now today's homework. Please write down your exercise group. Homework. Write a paragraph. Write a paragraph about Priti Lata Adhikar. Priti Lata Adhikar. Priti Lata Adhikar. Please write down your exercise group. God bless you. No more today. See you.